Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all a recipe for the most amazing triple chocolate chip cookies. This cookie is going to be so decadent and so amazing. And today's recipe is being sponsored by Angostura Bitters. So guys, let's jump straight into this recipe because I know you all are going to love it. To make this, I'm starting with softened butter in my bowl. To the softened butter, I'm adding in my light brown sugar. And we're going to start to whisk this until it's light. Once it's light and fluffy, add in your egg and whisk that in. Now I'm adding in my vanilla, or you can use mixed essence, and some instant coffee. Go ahead and mix that in until it's well incorporated. Next goes in the newly introduced Angostura Cocoa Bitters. This cocoa bitters works well with the chocolate and the coffee to bring out the decadent flavors. In goes Angostura Orange Bitters, which pairs really well with the chocolate elements in this recipe. And orange and chocolate go hand in hand. So give that a good mix, and once it's mixed in properly, you can go ahead and set it aside. Set the wet ingredients aside. Let's work on the dry. So to my flour, I'm adding in salt, baking powder, cocoa powder, chocolate chips white, and milk chocolate chips. Go ahead and give this a mix to incorporate all of those ingredients properly. And once it has been mixed in, it's time to marry both ingredients. So the wet with the dry. So add your dry mixture to your wet. I'm also going to be adding in some chocolate chip chunks. And now start mixing to bring together. Continue mixing it well, it will eventually come together. The Angostura Cocoa Bitters is made from the Trini cocoa and adds a nice nutty floral note to this recipe. So I really suggest you all get your hands on it because it's really amazing. So once it's mixed in properly like this, it's time to scoop it out. And I'm using my ice cream scoop. It's a 1.5-inch ice cream scoop, and I'm placing it onto my lined tray. If you don't have a sill mat, you can use parchment paper for this. Make sure and leave a space in between the cookies, because when they do cook, they spread out. Top it with some more chocolate chips. And this goes into my oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit between 12 to 15 minutes. Once it's finished baking, you take it out of your oven and you'd want them to cool down. So go ahead and place them on a wire rack so that it cools down and it does not sweat. And all you have to do is go ahead and enjoy it while it's warm with a nice cup of milk, or you can wait for it to cool down. But how amazing does it look? It tastes really amazing with those two Angostura flavors in there, which marry really well with the chocolate in this recipe. Just look at the texture. The longer you bake it, the crunchier it will be. The less time you bake it, nice soft gooey cookies you're going to get. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. So if you'd like to try this recipe, you can purchase Angostura Aromatic, Orange and Cocoa Bitters at Walmart. So I hope you all give this recipe a try and comment down below and let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching. Remember to pick up your Angostura products at Walmart. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.